I got an unboxing video and this time it is Degustabox. So this is how it arrives. As you can see, it's a really big box. It's a food subscription box and it's not as heavy as normal, so I can freely hold it and show you. Normally I'm like, oh, but no. So it's a rather big box. So you do get sent a text message to let you know that a courier is on its way with your box, and I think they give you about an hour time slot. So if you're not in, you are able to text back or message them back and say, you know, to leave with a neighbour or so on. So you can communicate that way. I really like that because it is a big box and I'm not always home, so it is handy to know when I'm going to receive it. So if you're new to Degustabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. As I said, it is a food subscription box. Now it costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. Now inside contains around 10 to 15 products and it's always a good mix. There's a theme and this month's theme is barbecue, so that's all I know because I try to steer away from looking at spoilers as much as I can anyway. I do have a refer a friend code and it's Diary5, and that will entitle you to £5 off your first box. And also you get an extra treat as well in the first box that you receive. Everything will be written down below, so click on the show more, that'll bring up description. So all the links to Degustabox and my refer a friend code and everything will be down there, so take a look there if you're interested. So I've been receiving this box for months now and it's thanks to you lot that I've been receiving it for free. They do a really good refer a friend deal. I think it's for every 2 or 3 people that sign up using your refer a friend code, that entitles you to 1 free box. So yeah, I've had quite a few free boxes now, so thank you so much. I do love this subscription. It's a bit different. A lot of the products tend to be new up and coming products as well. And yeah, there's items in there for all the family. Now I think I've mentioned in previous videos that it's not solely gluten-free or dairy-free or vegan, etc. But they do tend to have a lot of the products in there. So if you are a part of a big family and there's 1 or 2 that are gluten-free, etc., but then the rest aren't, then maybe this box is something that might interest you. So in this box, as I said, you get a mix of items. There's alcohol as well. There's some fruit juices, snacks, chocolates. You do get a really good mix. So onto this box. So this is how it arrives, and it's sealed with a little tape, sticky tape there. So there's some leaflets there, and I'll just show you the very tops of the box. Ooh. There, I don't think you can see much, so I'll just put this down to the side of me. So the leaflets are, this is the main leaflet and that tells you about all the products that are inside this month's box, tells you all about the theme, and on the back as well it gives you some recipes to follow using some of the products that are in the box. So inside this box we've got 13 items this month. So the theme is barbecue with some cooking sauces and rolls and things, so no, I'll be interested to see what's that. Then we've got a money off coupon, 50p off Capiscana, Latin flavour, and I think we've got a few of these or 2 in our boxes, which I've just seen on the sheet there. So that's 50% off in Sainsbury's or Waitrose. What I normally do is grab an item, show you, and then refer back to this information card to see what it's all about and the price. And then at the end I tot it all up to give you an overall price about how much this box is actually worth compared to the £12.99 that you would pay. So the first item is Brioche Rolls and it's 8 pence au lait, made with authentic levain. I'm great for barbecues, so we have these in the house. We had some last month. We had chocolate chip ones and the kids love them. So they're just really nice rolls, nice with pulled pork if you're a meat eater. So, recommended retail price for this is £1.75. Free from preservatives, artificial flavours and hydrogenated fats, our soft and tasty milk brioche rolls can be enjoyed in any moment of the day. They are also ideal for barbecues with family or friends. So that's our first item. Second item is a rather big bag of, what are they? Crackers, rice crackers, and they're called Peckish rice crackers, tangy barbecue flavour. So they're gluten-free and they're made with rice bran oil. So that's what that looks like there. This is a massive bag. Oh, there's 5 individual bags in here. Altogether this is 100 gram, but inside there's 5 20 grams. Oh, that's handy for packed lunches. So the information says The recommended retail price for this bag is £1.79, and it says peckish is a thinner, lighter, crispier snack made of rice and full of flavour. We are baked, not fried, gluten-free and under 100 calories per portion. That sounds really nice actually. I love barbecue taste as well. The next item is Idaho, and it's gratin cheese oven bake. Add milk and butter. So it's that. Oh, it's a potato bake, is it? It must be, add milk and butter. It must be cheese slices, not cheese, potato slices flavoured with cheese, and to make your own, like a potato bake. Ooh. Oh, that sounds quite nice. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is £2.30. It says, with a preparation time of less than 3 minutes and a cook time of less than 30 minutes, it makes an impressive accompaniment to any meal. Add contents to a casserole dish with hot water, milk and a knob of butter, and let the oven do the rest. So that's quite handy to put in the cupboard if ever we're stuck for something to eat, I think, isn't it? Right, the next item are the two items I saw at the beginning. So these are, what are they exactly? Cooking sauces. So we got 2 Capsicana Latin flavour cook sauces, and they're both hot. One is Cuban chili and lime, made with habanero chilies, and the other one is Brazilian chili and coconut, made with Frutesens chilies. I can't pronounce it. So that's what they look like there. Oh my word. My eldest son, Harley, he absolutely loves hot, spicy foods. So yeah, I think I'm going to be making these for him because I don't think my other two really like spicy food. I do, but I'll give him a go. So the recommended retail price for these are £1.99 each. Packed full of authentic flavours, our products help you to create tasty meals at home. This multi-award winning range of cooking sauces help you to make the best tasting fajitas at home. And there's a few different flavours, so other people might have different ones, but those are mine, so no, look forward to trying them. We got some water of some sorts, and it says it's spring water funked up with raspberry and blueberry, no sugar, no sweeteners, no preservatives, and it's got no junk, more funk. So that's what that looks like there. It's quite a big 500ml bottle. The recommended retail price for this is £1.29. The perfect alternative to plain water that will help you reach the recommended quota of 2 litres of water a day. Find us in Boots and Waitrose. So no, I look forward to trying that. I won't try that now because my youngest son, he loves flavoured waters, so he might want to try that himself. The next item, and there's 2 in here. Normally I don't look, but I'm just having quick sneak peeks. But we've got Orangina. Now this is ancient. I remember Orangina when I was a teenager. I don't think I've tried it since. So Orangina is a sparkling fruit drink, and it's made with real orange pulp. And we've got, what's the difference? We've got an Orangina light and an Orangina not light. So they are, what are they? They're 420ml each. Oh, I love it. I'm going to try a bit in a minute. So the recommended retail price for these are £1.20 each. It is both delicious on its own with ice and a slice of orange, or as a mixer in mocktails and cocktails. Right, I'm going to have the full flavour one. This is going to be mine. I love orange stuff. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore orange smelling stuff. Lemons as well. Anything citrus. Oh, it smells so nice. Ooh. Oh, that is nice. It's just like fizzy, fresh orange juice. Carbonated orange, fresh orange juice. No, I'll have that after. Nice, nice. So the next item is a pack of sweets, one for the kids, and this is the Jelly Bean Factory, 36 gourmet flavours, and it's jelly beans, 75 grams. Oh, are they absolutely disgusting flavours, or are they nice ones? No, they're nice, they're all fruit and stuff. You can get jelly beans that look like these, and they're the most vile, disgusting tasting ones. When we went to Harry Potter Studios a couple of years ago, we bought Bertie Bott's beans there, and they're basically, you know, some are quite nice flavoured and some are vile, like grass or snot or bogey or whatever they called it. Sick, vomit even, disgusting, and I can't go near them. And you can buy them in the shops now. don't know the make of them or the name of them actually in the shops, but oh, my kids are always trying to get me to do it, and I can't even watch them eating them because it just makes me heave. And even though I know these are normal and they're nice, just the look at them, it's just bringing back memories of my elders forcing me to eat these vile sweets. But I'm sure they're lovely. I'm sure they are. All the flavours are on the back, and they're all normal flavours like pineapple and banana split and butterscotch and stuff. But they won't be for me. So the recommended retail price for this is £1.25, and it says filled with 36 delicious flavours and made using fair trade sugar. They are the perfect on the go snack. So yeah, one for the kids. The next item is a bar of something. Salted caramel honeycomb bar. Oh, it's only 133 calories. Finest handmade honeycomb, made in England. Mighty fine honeycomb. Okay, what is it? Light and crispy salted honeycomb made with honey and covered in a caramel flavour. Belgian milk chocolate, and it's gluten free. Oh, that looks nice. That looks really, really nice. I think that's going to be mine. Recommended retail price for this is £1, and it says our new 30-gram salted caramel bar is made with our signature light crispy and lightly salted honeycomb covered in a creamy caramel Belgian milk chocolate. I think I just said all that, didn't I? Our bars really are the bee's knees, so indulge and enjoy, and they're available in Sainsbury's local and down the country. So now that'll be mine. Next we've got a spray. Oh, it's a fry light. We have these. I really like them. At the moment we're using a coconut one, but this is an avocado one. My husband and I are well into avocados at the moment. We have avocados all the time on toast with chicken Caesar salad and stuff like that. Oh, I love him. I love him, and he's gonna love this. So Fry Light is a cooking spray, and it's literally, what's it say? Yeah, the original 1 calorie spray. So no, it's nice. It's full size. What is the size? 190 mils, and the recommended retail price is £2.99. It can be used at higher temperatures than most cooking sprays due to the more resilient nature of avocado oil. Perfect for stir fries. Oh, that is really good to know, actually. No chuff for that. Next. Ooh, we've got some biscuits. We got Great British Biscotti, white chocolate, cranberry and pistachio. Delicious twice baked biscuits. Ooh, white chocolate and pistachio and cranberries. Oh, that looks lovely. Look at those. Oh, I'm gonna have to have something after I film this, but I don't eat it all. I don't know whether to have that bar or this. I don't know. Right then, so the recommended retail price for this is £1.30. All 20 flavours of our biscotti are handmade with the best ingredients in our artisan bakery in Dorset, soon to be available on Ocado and Amazon. So now that's nice. And then we've got one item left, which is some alcohol. So this is quite cool, actually. This is Rosie Pig's Raspberry Roller, and it's sparkling cloudy cider with raspberry juice and cucumber. Oh my word. Oh, that sounds gorgeous. It's 4% alcohol. Can't try it because I've got to drive. Not that I don't think much will happen to me, but I don't drink nothing, even just a slight bit or nothing if I'm driving. But yeah, it's full size. So that's what that looks like there. The packaging is really cool, isn't it? So the recommended retail price for this is £2, and it's raspberry and cucumber flavour sparkling cloudy cider. A refreshing berry flavour with citrus notes creates a well-balanced, easy drinking cider with a fresh finish. I can't wait to try that. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Right, so I can't gather everything up like I do with my beauty boxes because I've only got small hands, but I'll just toss everything up and then I'll come back to you. My maths aren't great, but it comes to around £22, nearly double the amount of the box. So I think we've got a really good value, actually. Looking at it all from here, we have got some really good things. I think besides the little treat things and all that, I'm looking forward to trying the avocado oil and the cooking sauces, the chili hot cooking sauces as well. And yeah, no, I think it'd be really nice, and I think those rice crackers will come in handy for the kids for packed lunch and things. So no, I'm quite impressed with this month's box, actually. So yeah, what do you think? Do you receive it? Do you like getting this box? I'd love to know. So I hope you like this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.